we found one of the most unique campgrounds in the Upper Peninsula, and right on the shores of Lake Superior. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel RV'n and ATV'n, and I'm Dave. In this video, we're going to be reviewing and rating the Gitche Gumee RV Park in Marquette, Michigan, in the north central part of the Upper Peninsula. About 15 minutes east of Marquette, M28 is the only thing separating the campground and Lake Superior. With over 100 sites available, they can accommodate everything from big rigs to tents and everything in between. Full hookups with 50, 30, and 20 amp service, or you can stay in one of the cabins. One of the cool things is each site is nestled in trees and feels private. As always, for us, we require two things when looking for a campground. They have to be pet friendly, and we need to be able to ride our side-by-side from the campground to the trails. There's an access trail that goes out the back of the campground to the main trail. There's a nice stretch of sand to play in too. Hop on the main trail and there's miles and miles of trails to ride. Heck, we even rode all the way to Munising, which will be in an upcoming video. Camp Gitche Gumee has a really nice bathhouse with clean showers and bathrooms. And there's a small gift shop where you can get firewood at the registration office. They make fudge in this building, although it wasn't open when we were there. And at night, if you don't want to hang out at the campsite with a fire, you can head on down to the brew house. They have pool tables, TV, and a full bar if you want to grab your favorite adult beverage. And it's worth it just to pop in and check out the inside. And next is the clubhouse. It's kind of a gathering room. This building is awesome. It's just like the brew house, but it's much bigger. Here's where the ice and vending machines are located. Also, there's a big screen TV for movie nights. Just check this place out. Pretty awesome. Oh wait, there's more! Across M28 is Lake Superior. The beach is clean and it's huge. And at night you can take some firewood and have a fire on the beach. We spent a few hours chilling with the boys with a fire. The night was perfect and the lake was really calm. Probably one of our favorite parts of our trip. And one more thing, Camp Gitche Gumee is the only campground with full hookup, freezeless sites for the winter, and they are open all year round. Here's the number if you want to call and get some info. Jeff Glass is the owner, and he goes by Ranger Jeff, and he's definitely a unique guy with some great stories and history. His daughter Crystal was really nice, and they both went out of their way to make sure our stay was the best it could be. And now for a review. We loved this place. Had great trail access, the beach and Lake Superior. The sites were very nice. Marquette and Presque Isle Park and the Black Rocks were a short drive. Munising and the Pictured Rocks were close by as well. Plus there's a bunch of other scenic sites and things to do and see that are just a short drive. Our only negative comment would be it's pricey, but for us, well worth it, and we would definitely camp there again. And now it's time to rate Camp Gitche Gumee. Even though it was expensive, we're going to go ahead and give it 2 white dogs, a beautiful sunset, and a gummy bear. By the shining big sea water, and for Sharon, Mo, and Charlie, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching.